Title: Gabby's Gasping Garbage
by Shreya and Steven.
Hi, I'm Shreya and my characters are Nell and Mom.
Hi, my name's Steven and my character is Drake.
Hi Drake, do you want to check out the contents of our trash can with a new microscope?
Sure, but first we need to clean the beakers.
Okay.
After they finish cleaning,
we should examine the data of Gabby's trash can to be precise.
That sounds like a good idea now. Let's look at our clues. 1. The garbage can sounded hollow or empty.
2. The garbage can was very light.
3. It smelled like fresh baked bread.
4. It was warm where the can was placed.
5. Gabby's dad is a baker.
Those clues will help us find the true identity of the monster.
After the analysis, I can't believe it was just a loaf of bread.
I know, right?
Now I hope we can give Mossy Lake University a lecture about it.
Yeah. Oh, hi, Mrs. Doyle.
Come on.
Oh, you two are already done? You guys are really relentless.
Done.